How to add location on OnlyFans. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can add location on OnlyFans. So let's start. First of all, open OnlyFans and log into your account. You can use either the website or the app version of the platform. After you log into your account, you'll come to the home screen like this. Now, in order to add your location, go to your profile by tapping on this profile icon on the bottom right. Then after, tap on my profile. Now, as you enter your profile, you'll find this gear-like settings icon on the screen. Tap on it. After you enter the edit profile section, scroll below and you'll find this location section. In order to add a location, tap on this blank space with location written on it. Then after, enter the location that you want to set. For example, I'll be setting up a random location. After you enter your location, tap on the save option that you can see on the top right. Then it will show that the changes were saved. Now as I go back to my profile once again and tap on this more info option, you'll find that the location that I just added has been updated. So in this way you can add a location on OnlyFans. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.